Okay, we're out here on the Upper Chattooga River campground, and my buddies forgot to bring a can opener. We have a traditional can and a Swiss Army knife. On many Swiss Army knives, somewhere buried in the center, there's a can opener. This is a traditional Boy Scout style can opener with a sharpened tip and what looks like a bottle opener mouth, and it just so happens that it fits perfectly in the rim of a can like that. I don't know if you can get that, and it focuses, but it bites on the rim of the can like that and opens perfectly, just like that. See that action? See that smooth action right there? Opens right up. Just a little gnawing process. Opens the can right up. That's what that tool is, a old style can opener. It might take about 5 minutes to go around the can, but it does a pretty good job just nibbling away at the can. There you go. Swiss Army knife, can opener. At the Chattooga River campground. Beautiful place, by the way. Lots of rainbow trout. My buddy caught a rainbow trout, pulled it right out of the river with his bare hands.
Dang, that works pretty darn good. I think my can opener would have taken longer than that.
The secret is that you got to keep it against the can
So it bites.
so then it bites onto the lip. And it's easier to do it on the table.
Kevin, what are you making?
Vittles.
Tender vittles.
Enough to photograph them.
All right, Brad.
You're just smoking through that.
There it is.
Wow.
About 5 minutes. Instant green beans.
Awesome.
Little Swiss Army knife.
And who makes that?
Victorinox
Victorinox. Awesome.
Swiss Army knife.
I want one.